Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of March. I have already filmed my ultimate and it is live as well. It is like subscription box week and a half. There's going to be a lot of unboxings. So if you do enjoy them, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell because I post a lot of unboxings and I will keep you guys updated on Ipsy, BoxyCharm, Allure, possibly others. And if you have certain boxes that you would like for me to unbox, let me know. Okay. I cannot say box anymore. So we have the Ipsy Glam bag for the month of March, the $12 just base bag. I do get all three though, so be sure to be on the lookout for those. We got something loose, so let me pull that out. Yes, okay. We got another Complex Culture brush, and let me tell you guys, I am pretty much obsessed with their brushes. I got one in my ultimate and I love it. So this one, is so pretty. There's just something about the gray and the gold and just the overall aesthetic of their brushes is so gorgeous. Y'all hit me up, just replace all my brushes with these and I will be good to go. But this is the all over shadow brush. Their brushes just feel and look so amazing. So I can't wait to use this guy in my eyeshadow and I'll look so pretty while I do it. So I'm very excited to have this, an excellent item to get in a bag. And I'm sure, actually, let me see. Let's see, do we have our card this time? Because I feel like last time I didn't get one. Let's see if they give a price because I'm sure that it's more than the box. Yes, an $18 all over eyeshadow brush and we paid $12 for the bag. So already a huge win. Like, I got 33% off this brush. Okay, next up we got the Galactic Precise Marker Liner. This is a full size as well. Oh my goodness, so 2 full sizes, super exciting. So again, a precision eyeliner marker. This is in Black Noir. It says it's long wearing and smudge proof. If I had time, I would add a wing, but I don't. Oh, this is one of those that's got like a really long felt tip. It's kind of interesting. And here is a swatch for you right here. It looks very black. I love that this has some flexibility to it. Ooh, one more swatch and look at that. That looks really nice. And I always, when I swatch liners on my hand, I always see them bleed, and this isn't bleeding. I know it's not 100% set down yet, but it's not bleeding. That's crazy. So I am definitely excited. Now, I've used an eyeliner like this in the past that had this really long felt tip, but that one wasn't flexible and this one is, so I feel like I'm going to like this much better. And Galactic has some really good products. I feel like they're very underrated, and everything that I've tried, except for maybe like one item, I've actually really liked. So a $20 eyeliner, and we got it in our $12 Ipsy bag, so I am pretty stoked already. I mean, come on, $38 value already, so really happy for those two. Let's see what we got next. This is the Lottie London Shimmer Squad. This is a powder highlighter. This is in a little box. I do believe this is a deluxe sample. The full size version is $10.99, so really affordable, and the full size is a 0.59 ounces. This is 0.14, so about, what would we say, about 20% of the product. So just a couple bucks worth, but you know how highlighters are, they literally last for, seriously, this is pretty huge. Okay, so I can definitely use this one for a while. I feel like highlighters are one of the things that literally just last forever. You just keep using them and keep using them. So, you know, to get something in a small size, I think this is a really good item to get. Now, granted, there's not a lot of depth to this pan, but still, there's still a lot of product there. So that is the color. Oh, I guess this is the Good Girl, I'm assuming. Yes, so the color is the Good Girl. And let's give this a swatch, and it's like perfectly ready to pop into a magnetic palette. Ooh, look at that. It's glowy. Oh, it's got like this little peachy kind of tone to it. I don't have a lot like that, so I feel like this will be really pretty. You can see I'm already really glowy today. I actually have on a Juvia's Place loose highlight, so I won't attempt to put any of this on because you won't be able to tell what's what, but it's really gorgeous. And I think I'm going to like this formula, so I'm going to put it back in its little container for now. But I mean, that may only be a couple dollars worth, but I feel like that's a really good size item, so I will not complain about that. Oh my god, I didn't show you the bag. I'm literally the worst. So again, another month where their bags have just been absolutely adorable. It's like this blue-green lime zip and the little studs all over it, and this is the 100th Ipsy Glam bag. Wow. Little logo, So cute though. I mean, this is an adorable little clutch to take with you, even if you're just running errands. If you're not the person like me, earlier today I was in TJ Maxx and I left my coffee like 4 times just like sitting on a shelf. So maybe not for me, but it is really, really cute and I do love the design of the bag. Then we got from Generation Clay, this is the Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I feel like I've gotten this before, but maybe it was a full size and it might have been from BoxyCharm. I'm not sure, so it may not be a duplicate at all. This is a deluxe sample. Full size is 60 grams for $30. Oh Lord, I don't know conversions, so I'm not even going to attempt that. Like, I can do math in my head, but don't ask me to convert anything because this is 15 mils or 0.51 ounces. And yeah, I don't know the conversion, so let's not get into that. I'm not sure if I have tried this or not, but I am definitely interested in doing it. Brightening Purple Clay Mask. So a really cute little mask. We got one more item. Oh no, we've got 2 more items. Okay. Oh, we've got 6 this time. I forgot. So I think they included a 6th item because it's the 100th bag. So I think everybody got an extra. So this is the Wonder Beauty Trip to Costa Rica. Ray? Oh my god, I cannot talk. So let's see, this is a bronzer and this is a deluxe sample. The full size is 4 grams and goes for $36. This is 2.8 grams, well over half. So, you know, at least $20, maybe $25 worth right here. And I'm gonna try to peel this little guy off without ruining the packaging, because even though this is just like a little cardboard packaging, it's actually pretty cute. Like, I would travel with this. I wouldn't even feel the need to take it out. Be a really good travel size. Oh, this actually might be right up my alley because this is very light. I hope that there were other variations, but that's what it looks like on the finger there. Let's swatch it. It's definitely light. Like, I'm not going to complain because I will be able to use this as a true bronzer, but I kind of feel bad for anybody who has deeper skin tone, which is most people. You know, only the fairer people like me will be able to use that as a bronzer. So I kind of feel bad if other people got this color. Hopefully there was some variation. I don't know for sure though, but still a really good size product, and I have been pretty pleased with my Wonder Beauty products as well. And then we've got one more in here. So this is the Hey Honey Relax Propolis and Honey Soothing Moisturizer. Calms redness and upset skin. I swear, I don't know why I struggled so much to get that sentence out, but I'm gonna try this guy. My hands are like the Sahara Desert right now. So it is a little white creme. Please excuse my hand. I have got cuts everywhere because Sally has been on like a rampage lately. She's been such a naughty little girl. It's my cat. Oh dear. The moisturizer did kind of remove the eyeliner swatches. I mean, not that you would be rubbing moisturizer on your eyeliner. It feels really lightweight, actually. I was expecting with the honey and propolis for it to be maybe a bit thicker or tackier or something, but it's actually really lightweight and it sank right in. Like, there's no residue on my hands whatsoever. I'm just using this like a hand cream. Okay, but it is a moisturizer. It smells nice too. It kind of smells a little floral though. The full size is 70 mils for $42. This is 15 mils, so obviously this is going to be a pretty small size. Maybe like an $8 value, something like that. But when you think about it, like, again, we paid $12 for this bag, this adorable bag, I might add. And even if you just got your bag and let's say a sample of a moisturizer, sample of a mask, a mini bronzer, and a mini highlight, like that would still be like, I feel like a really good deal for products and a bag. But we got 2 full sizes. This Galactic liner looks really gorgeous. I will definitely be trying this out really soon. And then we all know I love these Complex Culture brushes. Like, I hope Ipsy continues to carry them and I can just like add them on and keep getting them. I was actually looking at the add-ons, but it was a foundation brush. Had it been any other brush, I would have picked it up, but I will definitely keep my eyes open because they are gorgeous. So very, very happy with this Ipsy bag. Let me know what you guys are thinking below about this Ipsy bag this month. Obviously we got an extra product, but you know, an extra sample wouldn't have really changed this for me because I'm so excited about the bag and the liner and the brush. And the highlight also, like, I feel like it's a really good size. I keep keep saying that, but it's true. So that is it for this Ipsy unbagging. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. As always, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up. It helps me out so much. You guys have no idea. You know, we put a lot of work into this, but if there's not a lot of interaction, or you know, we don't get a lot of likes, then people are not seeing our videos. So I appreciate it so much. I don't think that if you're liking and commenting, if I'm not commenting back right away, please don't think that I don't appreciate it. I really do. Your girl is just super busy working a job and doing YouTube and all that encompasses that. So thank you guys again, and I hope you are having an amazing day. I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Bye.